Accounting technicians in public practice spend most of their time writing up transactions, preparing working papers, and compiling financial statements. So the Business Analyst Technician program helps students learn just that. They will learn how to use professional spreadsheet software, Excel, Google Sheets, or other functionally equivalent spreadsheets. They use it to summarize financial transactions. Then they post these to a working trial balance. By the time they've spent a few months, they'll know how to build their own working paper tool. Learning to use spreadsheets effectively will continue to serve students well throughout their careers. Students might ask why we don't start off using accounting software. The answer is simple. The student's first priority should be to learn the fundamental accounting algorithm and internalize it. Often software applications obscure what is happening. They're a kind of black box that does everything for you. If you rely too much on the tool, you'll never know what results to expect. Of course, accounting software is very worthwhile. But not until the company is ready for it. If you're going to implement a computerized accounting system, you'll need to train the software to categorize transactions correctly. Training someone to do something actually requires a significant amount of knowledge. It requires a fundamental understanding of the problem. This is particularly true when the person you're training is as stupid as a computer. The goal here is for students to internalize the fundamental accounting equation. Only then will they be competent to train the accounting software.